Start with cooking the udon. Oh, so good. Good morning, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Gabriella and I'm a full-time content creator based in New York City. I thought it'd be interesting to show you guys exactly what I eat in a day. So let's go. So I usually wake up around 8 a.m. and I'll make my cup of coffee and also make my breakfast smoothie. So for today, I'm going to be making my typical breakfast smoothie, which consists of frozen blueberries, bananas, some type of a plant protein. The one that I have today is from a brand called Cos. I think that's how you pronounce it. And then I always add like chia seeds, and I'll also add almond milk as well. Usually I'll also add Greek yogurt, honey, and almond butter, but I did not have those ingredients for today, but all good. So I don't know about you, but I'm usually not very hungry in the morning, and I find that making a smoothie is just the perfect balance for me to get my nutrients in my system to start the day off on a good note. So this morning, I'm drinking my smoothie while I'm going through all my emails and also working on my new presets for my Etsy shop. Okay, real quick, I'm gonna show you guys what I've been working on all morning so far. So for those of you who may not know, I have my own Etsy shop where I sell mobile Lightroom presets. This is basically what it looks like on my Etsy page. So I already have been selling this one. This is called the Moody and Dark Aesthetic, and this is what I currently use on my Instagram feed. So the vibe is like low exposure, minimal, dark, moody, etc. So this morning I was just working on a new bundle, which is called the Golden Hour Aesthetic. So this is really great if you're looking for something that, you know, makes you look glowy, tan, etc. Like you're, you know, taking a photo during the golden hour. So here are some examples of before and after. And if you're interested in purchasing, I sell them on my Etsy page, and I'll leave the link down below. Okay, so back to the regular programming. So for lunch today, I'm going to make a really quick 15-minute creamy miso udon. It's gonna be my very first time trying to make this, so it's gonna be interesting. I pretty much have all the ingredients except for mushrooms, which is like the star of the dish. So I'm gonna head out real quick, go to the grocery store around the corner and grab a bag of mushrooms. So let's go. Looks like I need 4 cloves of garlic, half an onion, which I'll cut this in half later. Oh shit, this is a naughty meal. This is a very naughty meal. Okay, because of my limited kitchen space, every time I need to look at a recipe, do not recommend to do this, but it works for me. I just put my computer there and it just perfectly balances above my coffee machine. I need butter, and then I have my mushroom of choice. So for this one, because it's Asian inspired, I decided to go with shiitake mushrooms, some oyster sauce, and then heavy cream. I have some leftover heavy cream and miso paste. I don't know if this is gonna work out, but I have a soybean paste that I got from H Mart. I don't see why not. Let's try it. All right, let's do this. Okay, I'm gonna start with cooking the udon noodles first. So while the udon is cooking, I'm gonna prepare some of the garnish. This is just a thing of seaweed that I have, and I'm going to cut it up into thin strips. And then another garnish is green onions, so I just cut that up. So I'm waiting for the water to boil, TBD on that. But I have pretty much everything ready once I have my udon noodles all cooked. So I got my mushrooms, my garnish, I got my seaweed, my green onion, and then I have my onions and garlic, oyster sauce. Here is my miso paste or soybean paste, and I have my heavy creams, and I have my little Oh my god, I am struggling. My stick of butter here. Let's see how this goes. So my inspiration to make this dish today was one of my favorite YouTubers, Freesia Park. She made a creamy udon dish, I think in one of her most recent YouTube videos, and when I saw it, I was like, oh my god, that looks amazing. I have to make this ASAP. So once you've sauteed your garlic, onions, and mushrooms in butter, you're going to want to add 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce and also 1 tablespoon of water. Mix it all up until your mushrooms have softened. Then you want to add 1 cup of heavy cream and then 1 tablespoon of your miso paste. Then you want to mix it all up together until it reaches this type of a consistency. Then add your udon noodles and again mix it up and you're pretty much done. So for garnish, I'm adding spring onion and also some seaweed. Alright, let's try a taste test of this. Wow. That's so good. You guys, no joke. This is like, this is probably one of the best things I've ever made. So simple, so easy to make, under 25 minutes. What's up? It's a little bit later in the day now. So for dinner today, I'm thinking about making a fried rice. I have some Chinese sausage in my fridge that I'm definitely gonna use. And I'm probably gonna be putting just a bunch of other produce that I haven't used in the past few days. So it's gonna be a whole random mix of things in this fried rice. Okay, let's see. So I have my Chinese sausage. I'm gonna use the other half of my onion that I haven't used. And then I have a broccoli. I'll add that. Maybe I'll add some more vegetables as well. I have a bell pepper. So fried rice is definitely a really easy recipe to make, especially for a weeknight. All you need is just a few staple ingredients: onions, garlic, and then your overnight rice, some type of vegetable, and protein. And then of course you just need your sauces. So all I'm using for this recipe is just soy sauce, sesame oil, and sriracha. So the best type of rice for fried rice is either leftover rice or rice that was left in the fridge overnight. In my case, I did not have either. So what I did was when I cooked my rice, I just used less water so that my rice consistency would be on the drier side, which is perfect for making fried rice. So this is personal preference, but I like to add a scrambled egg to my fried rice. So what I'm going to do here is just get 2 eggs, scramble it up, and then in the center of my fried rice, I'm going to make a well using my spatula and add the egg mixture inside. Then you just want to start scrambling it and then mix it all up together with your fried rice. Alright, let's do taste test. So good. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed this vlog, and I'll see you in the next one.